what is the final result of Tao and how are people going to interact with it? And you have described a way to develop software in a decentralized manner with this interpreted language. What can we do with decentralized development of software? What is the long-term outcome of this? And how is it going to change my life, your life? How is it going to change the world?
Well, before you even reach the software aspect, one thing that happens at the beginning, everyone just saying what they have to say. Everyone express their opinion that may or may not reflect on how the software should be like. As a byproduct, you are going to have the most powerful AI in the world controlled by the people, that belongs to the people, not belong to one entity that who knows what their intentions are. And it will be the most powerful because so many people train this AI. They just speak like they speak in social networks. I will say that we already uploaded our mind to the cyber. We just didn't do it in machine comprehensible language. Now that you will re-upload your mind to the cyber in a way that machine can understand you, the consequences of this are bigger than imagination. So that's one big deal that is going to happen from this technology. And then, suppose after you expressed a lot of opinions, now your Tao client knows what you want and knows ways to achieve what you want. It can automatically organize stuff, as long as those stuff live in the computer world, to give you what you want. Whether it is tailor for me a good deal that takes into account my abilities, my skills, my assets, and other people's bids and so on, or how society should be like, and so on. Well, you cannot just go to Google and tell Google, give me what I want, but you will be able to go to Tao and tell it, give me what I want.
So when I got this in our earlier conversations, it completely blew my mind because for me, the difficulty was connecting formal logic, software specifications, natural language. But what you're saying is once you have that full stack, all those layers of abstraction, and then because it's not just an individual, it's not just me talking to Tao and it deriving specifications from my words, but it's also doing the same thing for everyone who's participating in Tao and finding those points of agreement. And then it's allowing the Tao network to update itself automatically. And so everyone who participates in a Tao network, by interacting with the Tao client over time, it will learn what you want, what you need, and it's all recorded based on those expressions of opinions and needs from our natural language, correct? So it will take that and then translate it into the controlled language and then further and further abstract it down into formal logic and specifications. But then everyone who's participating in Tao will do the same thing. And as you mentioned, everyone's ideas and needs and requirements and knowledge will become embedded in the whole Tao network. And that means that the Tao network will be as intelligent as everyone participating in it, but not just as individuals. It will record those ideas, abilities, and any new capabilities of the network over time, and it will continue to get smarter. Is that a good summary of kind of how the Tao network is alive in some respects?
Yes, just with one caveat. I don't want the audience to think that you are going to give a natural language sentence and it will understand you and that's it. From natural language to formal language, it will be an interactive process that the user will have to eventually approve the formal statement. But other than that, yes, that's where the system is heading to in the long term. Yes.
Excellent.